Please subscribe and click on the notification button so you could get our latest news. Happy listening. PDP blasts Buhari over statement on medical treatment abroad. The People Democratic Party (PDP) has on Sunday slammed President Buhari over his statement on medical treatment abroad. The opposition party asked Buhari to lead by example, stressing that he should make provision for healthcare services in the country. Buhari had on Friday said that Nigerians must stop going to the US, UK, and other foreign countries for medical treatment. Responding to this in a statement obtained by Vanguard, Kola, national publicity of the party, described Buhari's comments against overseas treatment as self-indicting and raising public apprehension on high-level decadence in government. Read the full statement. Our party described this as ridiculous. A situation where a president who patronizes foreign hospitals for treatment and even checkup, whose administration has failed to provide adequate health care in his country, could turn around to tell the masses, citizens, to stop going abroad for treatment. Why will the PDP why the PDP do not approve of profound foreign medical tourism, especially by leaders and public office holders. Our party holds that a leader who has failed to lead by example and whose government has neglected and wrecked our health sector system lack all confidence, and he should not be talking to Nigeria about treatment abroad. Consequently, the PDP urged President Buhari to show example by patronizing Nigerian public hospitals on his next medical appointment so that he can be an example in the healthcare reality for the citizen to see. Mr. President can then discover that our health system has suffered untold neglect under his watch, leading to diplomatic infrastructure, empty drug shelf, desperation among workers, empty equipment, no drainers, workforce worse than in 1983, collapsation in the way. It is even more disheartening that all the investment and robust program of successive PDP administration, including comprehensive national strategic health development plan, saving 1 million lives initiative, healthcare insurance scheme, among others, has been downgraded and destroyed by the APC administration. Nigerians recall that under the PDP administration, new technology and modern medical equipment were available in most federal medical institutions, where checks such as cancer, kidney, heart, and brain alliance for all Nigerians were made available instead of going overseas for such checkup and treatment. Our healthcare would have continued to flourish, but to the detriment of PDP people-based healthcare program by the then Buhari APC administration. The National Healthcare Insurance Scheme, HIS, has now become the automatic teller machine ATM of the corrupt cabal in the Buhari presidency, which has not been able to accommodate and account for his looting of billions of naira saved for healthcare needs of Nigeria. Under the PDP administration, the Ebola outbreak was under the PDP administration, the Ebola outbreak was managed without grievous consequences. If such medical emergency arrives, God forbid, today, it will be devastating for our country. Even the poor handling of the healthcare system by the APC administration has shown that. APC administration has neglected our national health needs in reflection of its successful budgetary allocation under President Buhari. Even in the 2020 budget, only 427 billion naira was allocated to the healthcare. So, my dear, this is what my dear fellow people, Nigerians, from wherever you are, the north, the south, the east, I welcome you once again. This is the slamming of PDP to Buhari. Buhari, dear, opened his mouth a few days ago. If you look at the news from Apple Line Media, you will see that he was saying in Abakaleke that Nigerians should stop going abroad to patronize their healthcare when our very own president, as far to check up, I'm not talking about serious amen to, he's outside the shore of Nigeria already. So who is he talking to? The poor tomato seller on the street, or the hardworking civil servants, or the person who can afford it? Who is he really talking to? Under our finances, he uses them to go abroad, him and his family, for his own private medical checkup to get the best. But what happened to the Nigerians? The Nigerians who put him there in power, who stood on the line, come rain, come shine, to vote, who put their life at risk to make sure that he gets into power. What happens to them? What happens to them? When they are sick, what happens? You get to the hospital, there is no oxygen. You get there, the shelves are empty. You cannot even buy a good quality drug to administer for any serious ailment. Buhari, listen, listen. Stop the pretense and stop the hypocritical statements. You live by example according to PDP. I'm not in support of PDP or APC. No. But this statement Buhari has made, he has crossed the line. When him himself goes abroad for every finger ache he has, he's already in the plane straight abroad, either to the US or to the UK for medical checkup. Please come off it. Wake up, wake up. We Nigerians were not dumb people. You can't treat us that way. You can't say A when you are doing B. No, live by example. Live by example. I want to employ Nigerians. Please lend your voice. Let's hear what you have to say regarding this, our president that is saying, if you have the money to go abroad, don't go, when there is nothing to show for it in our health sector. Thank you very much to everyone who have subscribed. I appreciate you. If you haven't, please do. Let's keep the flag flying. Let's keep educating ourselves on the reality of what is going on in Nigeria so that we can actively and effectively speak against wrong practices and commend good practices in Nigeria. I want to appreciate you for listening. Please do subscribe so that the message can travel far. I do really appreciate your presence and taking time out to listen to this news. God bless you and do have a wonderful day. Bye.